I see what you mean about the mufflers, Chris. You know, the brown shit all over it.
Yeah. Think we should scrap it?
This, I think it's got potential. Not much.
$1969 DZ302 Z28.
How come one mirror? Drive the fucking thing like that.
Z28. Jimmy boy. Just a little bit to the right. Yeah, keep it straight. Yeah. Just hold it right there, get the hook off.
I can go back, but I can't go forward.
Yeah.
A good friend of mine had a yellow black, all yellow black.
Yeah.
Well, if the structure's good, I have to do a lot of research. Well, I'll tell you, you can dial in that whole thing, see what dealer it came from, yeah, the whole thing. Either way, if it's a solid Camaro, it's worth money.
That's for sure. But the internet said it is.
Mm-hmm. It's fucking. It should say 302 as on the other side. Okay.
Yeah, right here on this. It's got the emblem over here.
Yeah, 302.
It is a 302, but there's no doubt about that. See, 302, they made that cubic inch for road courses. For the 302, they couldn't be over 305 cubic inches. So that's why Ford come out with 302 and Chevrolet come out with 302. That's 283. It should have solid lifters in it. Does it sound, oh, you haven't run it yet?
Oh no.
If it runs and it sounds real loud, the tap it, if it's solid lifter cam, then chances are that you're on the right track, yes.
Well, Chris did some research on
Who's
it.
Kyle? Who's dying?
Kyle, the guy who owned that Ford pickup truck, the black one that I used to work on all the time. I had to put brake lines on it, and I don't know if you
Where's
know
he
him.
from?
Flavor. He's Mikey's buddy. He used to come in here with Mikey all the time, the Greek. used to come in here with Mikey, oh.
And that carburetor's basically, so that's a 780. Wait,
Maybe because of the cam that has it in it,
well, it should be a solid lifter can, but the block is a DZ block, I don't know where, I forget where the numbers are. It should be somewhere where you can see it.
Yeah.
That would be a 302 block, DZ, but I mean, if it's underneath, if it's solid and shit, fucking,
Oh, solid ain't the word, it fucking never drove it.
going to solid?
Well, you get